You're gonna know when you're ready to do your feature. You and your own inner self are gonna say, it's now or never. I'm Cole Webley. I directed the film Omaha, playing at Sundance. I think for most filmmakers, there's 3 film festivals or 4 in the world that if you get into them and you get that laurel, you're a real filmmaker. And that's not the case. Most of my shorts didn't get into those top tier film festivals. And I was a little like, well, I guess that's it. Like maybe a couple hundred people saw this short. But I felt like they had value and they warranted an audience. So I put it on Vimeo, and then it was immediately loved. And given the staff pick, which opened a door for folks online to find it, there was immediate camaraderie. There were filmmakers who they'd want to know like the lenses you shot it on, and oh, how did you do this and that? And we go watch each other's shorts, pinball back and forth. That was like a pivot point for me. Without that kind of like spike, if you will, in my timeline, I don't know if I would have had the confidence to come into a feature with so much confidence. And at a certain point, you gotta kind of rip the Band-Aid off. You should have that resolved feeling of it's time when you go to make your movie. And maybe that's just the material screaming to you saying like, I'm here, let's do this, let's rock and roll. For me, Omaha was that, and I felt like I had arrived at the end of what I was most excited about with short films. I just want to keep going. I want this story to keep going. Because at its heart, like why I love movies is because it makes me vulnerable. It makes me feel something. It makes me transcend this state that we're in.
All right, love you all, see you there. Woo!
And Omaha is just so visceral that we've got audience members coming up, and mostly they want to tell me how they connect to the film. If they're mourning, I try to mourn with them. If it's joy, I try to be happy with them. That part has been maybe the most special thing about being here in person.